Today I'm going to show you a mystery device through which I have maintained an amazing battery life. So hey guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the another video. I am getting lots of comments that the people are facing battery draining issues even after updating to the 17.2.1. Lots of people are facing battery draining issues overnight and all. Some people are also facing that their iPhone battery health dropped by 1 or 2% after updating. Today, I am going to show you my secret mystery device through which I have maintained amazing battery life. So before anything, I want to share battery life of my phone with you guys running iOS 17.2.1 over the period of last 10 days. If I show you this day over here, as you can see, I used around 70% of my battery life, and I got almost 7 hours of screen on time. Over here, I used around 85 to 90% of my battery life, as you can see, and I got 9 hours and 8 minutes of screen on time, which means I'm getting amazing screen on time with the battery life, and everything is working really good even though I'm using iOS 17.2.1. But there is a reason behind this, there is a mystery device behind this. So let's talk. So I got this phone almost 3 to 4 months back. It was a pin packed phone, and after using it for a 1 week, 1% of battery health dropped. I was very much worried about, and I was like, I don't know why it dropped. It is a completely a new phone. So I got this charger. I got original Apple charger with the original data cable. This data cable came out of the box, and this is the Apple original charger, as you can see. So I started using this after 1% of battery health dropped after a 1 week. After 2 weeks, another percent of battery health dropped, and I was like, what the hell, man. I was very much worried that this is a new phone and 2% drop just in 3 weeks. I was very much worried about it, and I started doing research. I did a lot of research, and here is where I came to the conclusion. That is what I'm going to share with you guys. So basically, if you are using original charger, if you are doing everything to avoid battery health drop and to avoid battery draining, and still battery health is dropping, still battery is draining, there can be a one mystery reason. That can be electricity fluctuation. Yes guys, I am honestly saying these words. Electricity fluctuation can be the reason of your battery health drop, of your battery draining. So basically, how electricity works is very simple. For example, uh, in America, 240 watts is what came to every home, that divided further into 120 volt of phases. And if I am started to getting more than 240 volts, for example, 250 volt, to 60 watts, to 70 volts, or maybe lower than 240 volts, for example, to 30 watts, to 20 watts, 200 volts, 190 volts, it means there is an electricity fluctuation in my home. There can be different reasons of electricity fluctuation, but if I'm getting more or lesser than the standard voltage, it means there is electric fluctuation, and electricity fluctuation can cause your phone's battery health to destroy. Although these chargers are very smart, they are built to control the electricity fluctuation, but still, if there is electricity fluctuation in your home, as I mentioned, if you're getting more than 240 watts or more than or less than 240 watts, it means there is electricity fluctuation, and that electricity fluctuation can cause problem for your iPhone battery health and also for your iPhone battery draining. So there is a device that can solve electricity fluctuation problem. So once you have solved the electricity fluctuation problem, you will be able to solve battery draining issue, battery health dropping issues. So what the name of the device is? Now here is what I'm going to show you device. So this device cost under 20 USD, and I got this device. Let me show you. Let me bring. It's kind of a big device. This is a device. This device is called a stabilizer. Definitely I'm going to give you a tour, and I want to tell you that how this device actually works. This is the device. This is how it looks like from the front. This is a 3000-volt electricity stabilizer. It is known as automatic voltage stabilizer. What it does basically, it takes there are two different plugs on behind. Actually there's a one plug, as you can see over here. Let me turn on the flashlight so I can give you a better perspective. There's a one plug over here, and there is another wire coming out of it. Now basically what it does, this main wire goes into your electric board, and over here in this switch you will install this charger. Okay, so what it does, it will whatever the electricity voltage is coming, maybe to 60 to 70, whatever it is coming, that would go through it. This device will stabilize the electricity fluctuation, and it gives a stable electricity out of it. For example, if your home is getting to 50 volt to 60 volt, this device will stabilize it, and it gives out to 40 volt without fluctuation. So whenever you charge your phone using this, by putting like this, your phone battery health will not get ruined. It will be charged normally as it was supposed to be. So with the help of this device known as a stabilizer, I am able to uh, get amazing battery life on my iPhone 14. And this is what I wanted to show you, and this device is really helpful. I will also show you once again, try to show you once again. It's kind of a really big device. As you can see, this is how it looks like. So if you are still facing battery draining issues, or battery health is dropping than unusual, uh, you can get a stabilizer. It is going to cost you less than 20 USD, so you can save your costly mobiles, that I mean iPhones. And this device can be a lifesaver for you. And you can also use this device for other other tech products. If their battery is getting drained quickly, you can use this one to charge those devices. You can also use it to charge iPhone. Well, this is all from this video. I hope you like this video, and I hope I'm able to tell you what I was supposed to tell you with this video. I'm hoping that. Well, if you still have any question about stabilizer, about battery draining, about battery health dropping, let me know in the comment section below, and I will see you in my next video. Until then, take care. Peace out.